As you know, this bill would prohibit any qualified health insurance plan that's sold or offered for sale through a health benefits exchange established or operating in the Commonwealth pursuant to the federal health care reform legislation from providing coverage for abortion. Section 1303 of the Act permits a state to opt out, allowing health insurance plans to cover abortions to participate in the exchanges within that state. And this legislation does what that section of the federal act permits the state to do. Prohibits insurance plans within the exchanges from covering abortions. We feel this is consistent with the intent of the Federal Hyde Act, which does prohibit federal money from subsidizing insurance plans that, from directly covering abortions. And this is in keeping with that federal law, and I appreciate the committee's support.
I understand, Delegate. The chair will observe this one is identical to the bill we heard before. I will allow people to come up and at least identify themselves, what organization. We're hearing no testimony. We're fully aware of this bill, but if you want to come up and say you're for or against it, the chair will give you that opportunity. Anyone in the audience who would like to be identified as supporting the bill, please come forward, identify yourself, and if you're representing an organization, please tell us that name. We have heard testimony on the bill before.
Hi, I'm Mary Harnett. I'm staff counsel with Americans United for Life, and we are supportive of this bill.
Thank you, ma'am. Others who are here who would like to be identified as supporting.
Louise Hodge from Henrico County, representing the Virginia Society for Human Life. We support this bill. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And for the benefit of the audience, we had an identical bill to this that we gave extended testimony to earlier in the session, so it's not an intent to not hear people. We've heard the testimony on the bill. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Chairman and members of the committee, my name is Jessica Sang. I'm with the Family Foundation, and we support this bill.
Thank you. Others who are here want to be identified as supporting, please come forward.
Chairman, members of the committee, Jeff Russo, Virginia Catholic Bishops Conference, we strongly support this bill.
Thank you.
The Executive Director, Virginia Assembly Independent Baptist, we support this bill.
Thank you. Anyone else here in support who would like to be identified? Seeing none others, those who are in opposition, likewise, if you'd like to come forward and identify yourself and your organization or individual, please do so.
Marjorie Signer, Virginia Chapter, National Organization for Women, we oppose the bill. Thank you.
Others who are in opposition.
Hi, I'm Jessica Honke with Planned Parenthood Advocates of Virginia, and we are in opposition to this bill.
Others in opposition.
Mr. Chairman and members, Ann Sterling, League of Women Voters of Virginia, we oppose this bill.
Thank you.
Kathy Grenier, ACLU Review Women's Rights Project, and we oppose the bill.
Others here in opposition.
Tarina Keene with Near Out Pro-Choice Virginia, we do oppose the bill. I would like just a second to point out that this is not
Ma'am, we set the ground rules, and I think the chair was very clear on that.
All right. I just wanted to say it was.
Ma'am. Delegate Cline, any wrap-up that you carry?
The committee is familiar with the bill, and appreciate the committee's consideration.
Thank you. The bill is before the testimony's been heard. The bill is before the committee. What's your pleasure?
Second.
The move and second the bill be reported. Substitute motion.
That the bill be passed by indefinitely.
Is there a second?
Second.
It's been moved and seconded. The bill be PBI. Discussion on the substitute motion. Hearing none, all those in favor of the motion to PBI signify by saying aye.
Aye.
All those opposed.
No.
Can you record your noes? Please record your noes. The motion to PBI was successful on a 10-5 vote. Thank you, Delegate Cline.